Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to be showing you 5 easy steps to achieve a flawless looking skin. Now, these are techniques that will give you a very smooth, flawless makeup look. So let's dive right in. The first most important step to flawless skin is skin prep. So first I'm going to start by cleansing my skin to remove the dirt, oil and impurities. So I'm using the simple refreshing facial wash. This is my absolute favorite face wash. It's very gentle on the skin and does not strip off my natural oils. I'm going to follow it up with a moisturizer. This one is my daily moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. You can use any moisturizer that you use on a daily basis. Now, this is going to help to hydrate and prime my skin for makeup application. Next, I want to even out my skin tone with a lightweight foundation or a skin tint. Now, you want to choose a shade which matches your skin tone perfectly to give you that seamless finish. Now, I have like some of my absolute favorite foundations and skin tints that I like to use on a regular basis. I'm just going to share with you some of these. So the first one is the Nykaa's All Day Matte Foundation. Now, this is a medium coverage soft matte foundation. I like to use this when I want like a full glam going on. And then for everyday basis, I have these 3 that I go back and forth with. Firstly, I have the Maybelline's Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. Now again, this has a medium coverage. I would say a light to medium coverage, and this matches my skin tone perfectly. Then I have my K Beauty's, I think it is called the Hydrating Foundation, if I'm not wrong. Again, a very lightweight water-like foundation, has a light to medium coverage. So I love using this on an everyday basis. My shade is 145N medium. And then I have the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, and my shade is light medium. Now this has a medium coverage. It's very lightweight on the skin and it's very breathable and looks very natural and glowy. All the foundations and skin tints that I shared with you have a very natural finish. Some have a matte finish, some have a dewy finish, but they look absolutely beautiful on my skin. So today I am going to use my Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. So what I like to do is take it on the back of my hand. I am going to apply this with my fingers first. Now this way I have a lot of control as to how much I am applying this particular skin tint. And then wherever I feel like I need a little bit more, I am going to take my foundation brush and just stipple it around the areas where I think I need a little bit more coverage. So this way I am applying a very, very thin layer. And you want to make sure that you're blending this foundation down your neck so that you have like an even application. Next is concealing imperfections such as dark circles, blemishes, redness, hyperpigmentations with a creamy concealer. Now, I am going to be using my House of Makeup concealer. Now, this has a medium to full coverage, has a hydrating finish. There are other concealers as well, which have like a hydrating finish, like the K Beauty one has a hydrating finish. I love the Maybelline Instant Age Divine. This has a soft matte finish, and this is like a full coverage concealer. So it's going to cover up everything with just a little bit. These are concealers that are absolutely beautiful, but today I'm going to use the House of Makeup one. So what I like to do is I'm going to first cover up my dark circles. For that, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer below, not directly under the eyes. And I am also going to apply it right here. And then I'm going to cover up my darkness around my mouth. Some imperfections like these dark spots that I have. And I'm not taking any product on the concealer wand anymore. Whatever is left, I'm just using that. And I'm also going to cover up the darkness on my eyelids to get an even skin tone. And I'm going to blend this out with my concealer brush. This is the PAC 272 brush. And I'm first going to start blending around my mouth in stamping motions. And then blending out the concealer. And I'm just gonna run my brush all over my face just to even everything out. The next step is setting this base makeup that we've applied with a translucent powder or a compact powder. It is your choice completely, whatever you're comfortable with. But you want to set the areas where you have applied your concealer, and the rest of the face, you just want to set it very lightly. I'm going to use my K-Beauty's HD Loose Setting Powder in the shade Latte. This is my absolute favorite one. And I'm going to use a triangle puff to set under my eyes and wherever I have applied the concealer. So I'm going to take it on the puff and I'm going to remove the excess on the back of my hand. And I'm going to lightly press this powder underneath my eyes. I'm not baking. I'm just pressing the powder into my skin. And this way I have a very, very flawless, poreless, blurred out skin. Do you see that? The difference? And my nose and my T-zone. So I'm lightly just setting my T-zone because sometimes I do get pretty oily there. So I want to set that in place. And the rest of the face, I am just going to dab whatever is left on the puff and set it very lightly. See, now as you can see, my skin is looking so blurred out, smooth, flawless, but it needs to look natural. So the final step is setting this makeup with a setting spray. Now, setting spray is very important for your makeup to last all day long and make it look fresh. And this setting spray literally melts your makeup into your skin, and that's how you get that naturally flawless looking skin. So some setting sprays that I totally recommend are the Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Spray Party All Night, Stay All Day from Charlotte Tilbury, my absolute favorite one. This adds in a lot of hydration. It does not turn my makeup matte. It is a very natural finish setting spray. It makes it transfer proof and makes it look absolutely beautiful and fresh. The other ones are the Urban Decay All Nighter, similar to the Charlotte Tilbury one. Then an affordable option is the Milani's Make It Last setting spray, and another one that I know is the PAC Micro Finish setting spray. That's also very good. Mine is over, so I cannot show it to you right now, but I will show it to you on the screen. So today I am going to use my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish. So I'm going to take this, keep it at a little bit of a distance, and just bathe myself in it. You see, the powderiness has gone away completely and my skin looks like skin. It is naturally glowing but not overly illuminated. It just looks smooth, flawless. So I'm just going to complete the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back to show you how my makeup looks. there you have it. This is the final makeup look. These are 5 easy steps that you need to do to get that flawless skin makeup look. I hope these tips were helpful, and don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see y'all in my next one very soon. Until then, bye.